Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette, and today I'm going to show you how to pull your Lincoln Aviator door key code. It doesn't matter if you have a 2020 Aviator in the first year or a brand new 2025, it's all done the same. This happens to be a 2023, but let's go through it together. So the first thing you do need is both of your key fobs. If you only have one, this does not work. You have to have both of them, okay? Second thing to know is in your center console where your key fob battery spot can go. So there's a little cubby right down here where my fingers are. My thumb's just sitting in that cubby hole right now. The primary use of that spot is if your key fob battery actually gets low and it's starting to say it's not detected by the vehicle because you need to change your battery, you can actually stick that key fob into that spot and then you can start your car even if the battery is dead in this. But for today's purposes, we are going to use it to pull the code. So we're going to take the first one, put it in there. We're going to hit the push button start button. Now we're not going to put our foot on the brakes. We're just going to touch the button. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it off. Pull the one out. Put the other one in. Do the exact same thing. Press the button. Wait for these to come up. You're going to see a few messages come up. And then look at that. The factory keypad code has come up. Success. That is how you pull your code. Now you know what I know. You're welcome. Again, you have to have both these key fobs. It doesn't really matter if your door is open, if your door is closed. Do not overcomplicate this whole process. It is simple. The only thing that I have found is when you put the first one in, don't let it sit in there too long. Like if you let it sit in there for 30 seconds, sometimes I have an issue. So that's why I say count to 10. That seems to be kind of the magic number-ish that works the best. But thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you want to, give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.